What's up YouTube? I'm Sketchy Brett, YouTube's sketchiest artist, and today I am doing another charcoal. This is part of my charcoal journey, which really now the bug has bitten and I'm very much into this whole charcoal thing. And today I'm going to be trying a low-key drawing, and that basically means really just working with tone. Very little features, very little blending. So it's very dark light, very contrasty, and see how that goes. So I'm gonna try that right now. Okay, so for this I'm using pan pastel. I might use some other things, probably pan pastel and the malleable eraser. It's probably all I'm gonna do, but we'll see. We'll see how it ends up. So I'm kind of just freeballing this one, and I'm going to see how it turns out. So I'd like to get to a point where I can be laying down all of this in motion, but I've kind of just blocked out eyes, nose, mouth, top lip only, chin, and then the underside of that, and then gonna get very loose with this because I need it to kind of sing for itself. You're on your own here, girl. I think these eyes are a little bit far apart. That's a bit better. And then I might actually, because I want to bring in some very dark parts, so I might do some of this. And then here I want some resemblance. There's it. Got it, Brett, in the end. Of a real eye. And then but really want to try and stay away from putting much detail in here. So kind of just oh, I like how I dragged that across. That's pretty cool. And I want to show these strokes. I don't want to try and blend everything in. I want it to stay just in the tonal values without doing too much blending. I think this mouth wasn't quite big enough. that's pretty cool. I'm going to try and drag that up from the eye. I'm going to keep doing that. So this is compressed charcoal here, resisting all the temptation to try now and start putting in details, because it is tempting. Okay, I'm doing a little bit more blending than I'd planned, but it's still very lo-fi, so I'm still happy. But I think I want to kind of get rid of some of these details. And then also just go Okay, so here we have it. Probably did a little bit more blending than I should have. It takes a lot of confidence to strip everything away, and I kind of fell into the trap somewhat, but I've still finished off with a piece that I like. And what's important is that we didn't get into all the details of the eye and the nose and the mouth, and they're quite low key. You know it's a mouth just because of where it sits on the page, as opposed to it being crafted and blended into a perfect nose, eyes, mouth. It's a great exercise, and I think a great warm-up exercise is to do that, and it helps get your mind in gear in terms of placement of the proportions of the face and that sort of thing. So yeah, it's been fun. If you are just starting to follow my journey in charcoal and you want to start from the beginning, where I did a hopeless attempt at a lion, you can start over here. Otherwise, you can have a look at my last video, which I'm going to put up over here. And until next week, keep it sketchy.